At Mary Baldwin University, our first question to you won't be, what do you want to major in? Instead, we'll ask, what problems do you want to solve? What questions do you want to answer? What difference do you want to make? These are big questions, and you don't have to answer them alone. That's why we've grouped our majors into 4 neighborhoods: business and technology, creativity and design, education and society, and health and science. Each neighborhood is designed to create a tight-knit community that connects students with engaged peers, expert faculty, and supportive mentors, all to help you navigate your academic journey and career path. And the 4 neighborhoods group related majors together, providing clear pathways to careers and graduate school while fostering a strong sense of belonging, key to student success beyond graduation. Whether you're drawn to business, creativity, education, or health sciences, your neighborhood is ready to connect you with everything you need to discover your path. Your neighborhood isn't just about what you study, it's also where you live. You'll be surrounded by students who share your interests, allowing you to collaborate, exchange ideas, and build relationships that will shape your future.
One of the things that makes this neighborhood structure unique, I think, is the fact that in a lot of schools you'll see students are kind of siloed into their own majors with their own people in those majors, and that's fine. But here, we take that further. We want our students to really kind of get to know other students with other interests and other majors, because if you can do that, and if you can pair what you're interested in with things that other people are interested in, you're going to create something brand new and exciting and bigger than you can possibly imagine.
Your education goes beyond the classroom. Each neighborhood provides relationship-rich experiences, real-world internships, research opportunities, and hands-on projects that prepare you for the next step.
By participating in the health and science neighborhood at Mary Baldwin, students will have a support network that will prepare them exceptionally well for a direct entry into a career field. It could be a local health educator, a conservationist working at the Wildlife Center, or in many cases, they'll need to go on to advanced training in graduate school.
The neighborhood experience enhances learning, encouraging collaboration, mentorship, and real-world problem solving.
In this neighborhood, we will bring together community and like-minded people who want to focus on things like research and peer mentorship. We will go and take trips to local government and key institutions and engage with speaker series where we will learn together from alumni, from graduates of our program who are now off and doing really interesting work in helping our society to become a better place.
Here, learning doesn't just happen in lecture halls. It happens in rehearsal spaces, galleries, coffee shops, and through conversations that challenge and inspire you.
Business and technology students are energetic, they're creative, they're innovative, and really, I think above all else, they're entrepreneurial.
Creativity and design students are creatives. They are readers and writers and thinkers and innovators.
Education and society students are changemakers, activists, educators, and passionate humans.
Health and science students are curious and collaborative. They're innovative and independent. They're disciplined and dedicated.
So yes, we do want you to declare a major by the end of your second year, but that's not the priority on day 1 at Mary Baldwin. The priority on day 1 is to put you on the path toward your destination.